Okay. So, let's have our part 9. So, depreciation pa rin tayo. This time, SOYD, sinking fund, and MAC-RS method. Okay? So, tatlong method of depreciation. Ito na yung last part sa depreciation natin. So, una, the sum of the years digit method. Yan yung SOYD. Sum of the years digit method. Okay, SOYD. Tama ba? SOYD. Sum of the years digit method. Alright, so, ganoon pa rin yung setup, no? Yung curve natin, to be specific, pag ganito yan. And it is a curve of a parabola. Yung formula dito sa SOYD is yung ating book value. The book value is equal to FC minus DM. Okay? So, book value after M years. Alright. So, as you can see here, yung formula natin is capital DM. Yung formula natin for DM, small DM, ito yung ating depreciation during the year period. No, I hope nakinig kayo sa previous discussion natin sa part 8. Pag sinabing during the period that is in between the period, the previous period until the last day of the period. So, small d dito, that is depreciation for that period only. Capital D is total depreciation. So, yung small depreciation natin, yung small d, is FC minus SB. The formula is N minus M plus 1 over sum of the years. So, it is depreciation during the nth year. So, yung isang hint natin dyan, if pag during yung term niya na ginamit sa question, during the nth year. Alright? So, halimbawa, this is nth year. Then, meron kang M minus 1 year dito. Atras ka ng isang taon. So, ito yung book value at that year. So, yung D sub M dyan, during this period, itong ating shaded part, ito yung M year period. So, ito yung D sub M. That is the D sub M in the formula. Okay? Itong D sub M naman, that D sub M, that is equivalent to FC minus SB. The formula becomes like this. Ito ngayon yung ating depreciation, total depreciation for M years. Ito yan sa figure. Kailangan nyong intindihin yung ating data, no? And yung figure natin. How to deal with these formulas. Yung iba kasi nagtataka, bakit dalawa yung depreciation na formula? Again, that one is for depreciation during the year period. Ito naman, total depreciation. That is relative to the first cost. Okay, during the period, that is relative to the previous book value. Yung sum of the years dyan, that is 1, plus 2, plus 3, and so on until nth year. Until the nth year. So, kung sum of the years, it is arithmetic. 1 plus 2 plus 3, they have common difference 1 year. Means yung sum of the year, kung babalikan natin yung arithmetic formula, it is n over 2, 1 plus n. So, ito yung i-substitute natin dito. In that case. Okay? So, bale, itong capital D sub M, that can be written as summation of DM. Siguro sa example natin, mapapakita ko yan. Okay, example tayo. An asset is purchased for 9,000 pesos. It is estimated that the life is 10 years, then after which it will be sold for 1,000 pesos. So, ito yung ating N. Ito naman yung salvage value. It will be sold for 1,000 pesos. That's the last value after the economic life. Find the book value during the third year if the SOYD is used. Sum of the years digit method. Okay? So, kung babalikan natin yung setup, gusto natin kuhanin yung book value during the third year. Book value. So, gagamitin natin, we'll just solve for the total depreciation during the year. yung capital D. Kasi yung book value is FC minus DM. Alright? So, ito yung formula na present ko. Take note, yung sum of the year is n over 2, n plus 1. Let's calculate lang yung sum of the year. So, yung n natin is 10 years. 10 over 2, 10 plus 1. You have here 55. So, if m is 3, kasi during the third year tayo, the book value at the third year, you have FC 9,000, SV is 1,000. Okay, M is 3 years, 2N, 2 times 10 minus 3 plus 1, divided by 2 times 55. So this is the depreciation during the third year. And the book value is equal to the first cost minus the total depreciation. Substitute the value, the first cost is 9,000. The total depreciation is ito. Okay? Na kung ipapakuha yung ating depreciation during the third year, halimbawa lang, yung depreciation yung hinahanap during the third year, then yung gagamitin mo yung formula na D sub F. Let me have that one in the MathCAD, no? Para mapakita ko talaga how to deal with the formulas. Okay, let me open my MathCAD. So, ano ba yung formula kanina for D sub M? D sub M is equal. So, FC minus SB. That is N minus M plus 1 divided by sum of the year. Tama? So, I think ito naman yun, no? So, kung ipinapahanap dito is the depreciation during the third year period. So, substitute din natin yung values. DM is equal. FC is 9,000. SV is 1,000. Alright, yung N natin is 10 years minus 3 plus 1. Yung sum of the years, nakuha natin siya, it is 55. Alright, 55. Then, ito yung depreciation during the third year only. No? During the third year. Now, itong depreciation at the third year, total depreciation, that can be written as this one. The depreciation at the total depreciation at any year, pwede yan gamitin as summation of DM. Okay? When N is 0 until M here. Pwedeng ganito siya. From 0 until M here. Paano ba yan gamitin, sir? So, we know that this is the DM. Halimbawa, gusto kong kuhanin yung depreciation, total depreciation during the third year. So, that is gonna be summation. Alright? Summation. Yung DM natin is itong lahat. That is our DM. Okay? Let me have that one here lang. Dito lang muna. Substitute ko siya dito. Eto siya is here. Yan. Yung mangyari dito, yung N is variable. Okay? Yung N mag-start kay yung M is variable. Tawagin natin tong X. Alright? So, from X is 0. Hindi pala, mag-start tayo sa 1. From 1 tier until the M tier. From 1 tier until the M tier. So, bali yung M natin is varying, no? Starting from 1 until the M tier. Dapat ganito, from 1 until M. So, papakita ko lang na the same yung value na makukuha natin dito. So, from when X, okay, ito siya. When X is 1 until M is 3. Alright, variable ito. Gagawin natin yung variable. So, FC is 9,000. SV is 1,000. Yung N natin is 10 years. Ito yung nagbabari, ha. Sum of the years is 55. So, yung D3 na makukuha natin will be the same sa direct formula. 3927.27. Okay, again, this formula here is just the summation of the small dm. Siya. You need to understand lang the formula. Okay, so another method to this is itong curve niyan is actually defined by a parabola. Based on this formula, magiging parabola yan. O pwede natin tong gamitan na mode quadratic. Mode 3 quadratic tayo. No? Iba ito ha, basta sum of the years digit method. So sa quadratic equation, we need 3 points. Ito yung setup. Just memorize the setup. So when x is 0, you have book value equals to FC, which is 9,000. The next point is when x is equal to n. You have, okay, n is 10 here. The book value is the salvage value, 1,000. Now, yung pangatlong points, parating 2n plus 1 yan. So, 2 times, yung n natin is 10 plus 1, that's gonna be 21. So, yung ilalagay natin dito is FC pa rin. Kasi parabola yan, yung pinakababang point dito, nag-offset ka pa ng 0.5. Then, yung ginawa natin, kinontinue natin yan to create a whole parabola. Yan yung nangyari dyan. Anyway, just remember this setup. Parating ganito yan. So, yung book value natin at the third year is equal to 3 pi hat. Automatic kuha natin siya using the mode quadratic. Okay, sa calculator, ganito yan. Mode, alright, mode 3, quadratic 3, mode 3, 3. So, 0, just input the values, 10, 21. Alright, 9,000, 1,000, and 9,000. Press CA, apps, 8, okay, 6, 3Y hat, 507. So, natin kuhanin yung depreciation, total depreciation, then i-minus natin yung first cost. Yan yung total depreciation at that year. Okay? Alright, so that is the SOYD. Next, the sinking fund method. So for the sinking fund method, we are considering here the interest as times goes by. So mangyayari dito, ito yung plot ng cost versus time natin, no? Yung concept, i-plot natin separately yung depreciation versus time. So at n years. So bale, yung FC minus SB, yan yung total depreciation natin dito. Okay, using the sinking fund method, we can have, alright, we can have here the theoretical depreciation every year. Tawagin natin siyang small d. Parang theoretical depreciation siya yearly. Yeah? So, we can solve for D first, the yearly depreciation D, using the sinking fund method, and that is the annuity formula. So, bale itong FC minus SB natin, that is the future worth of this depreciation. Ano yung formula ng future worth of annuity? If that is the future worth, FC minus SB, then annuity formula is ito, future worth formula. Walang 1 plus I dito sa baba kasi future worth yan. Where D is the annual depreciation. I, bibigay yan, interest rate. Okay, malalaman natin sinking fund method siya. Kung hindi man niya babanggitin, magbibigay siya ng I, no? Meron siyang I na ibibigay. Then, raised to n minus 1. So, dito, rearranging that one, makukuha natin yung depreciation every year. Alright, depreciation every year. Now, kung gusto natin kuhanin yung depreciation at any M years, dito, let's say that one, at M year, the total depreciation at M year, then, kung ito yung ating amount, D, okay, depreciation during the M year, i-forward din natin siya. ganun pa rin yung formula natin, annuity formula. So, annual depreciation, then 1 plus I raised to m this time, up to m years lang, minus 1 over I. So, paikot-ikot lang to sa formula ng annuity. Okay? Example. An equipment costing 250,000 has an estimated life of 15 years with a book value of 30,000 at the end of the period. So, estimated life, that's the end. Book value at the end of the period is 30,000. That is our salvage value, to be specific. Equipment cost, so 250,000 yung ating first cost. Okay? So, una, kung pinapahanap dito, compute the book value after 10 years. So, let's calculate the book value D sub 10, yung capital D sub 10. So, we will start with calculating the small d. That is the depreciation every year, annual depreciation. So, 250,000 minus 30,000. I just rearrange that one. Okay, FC minus SB. Then, itong I, na-transpose natin, naging 0.08 multiplied. Then, that one, 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. So, kuha natin yung annual depreciation or yearly. Kung gusto natin makuha yung total depreciation after m year, then i-forward natin to, yung annual to m year. Pinorward natin sila lahat. Still, annuity formula yan. So, if m is 10, meron na tayong value nito. Ito, substitute I. Meron din tayong I. Minus 1 over I. Then, ito yung total depreciation at the end of 10 years. Total depreciation. And the book value at the end of 10 years is the first cost minus the total depreciation during the at the end of the third year. So, first cost 250,000 minus that one. Answer is 132,622.63. Okay? Ganito lang naman yung tanong dito basta sinking fund method. Of course, babanggitin anong method yung gagamitin. Okay, if the question is only the halimbawa lang, no, yung pinapahanap is the depreciation during the specific year. The answer is already yung D. Kasi annual yan. No? Pinapahanap lang is yearly depreciation. This is your D. Okay? Now, another method here is what we call the MAC-RS method, or the Modified Accelerated Cost Recovery System. So, board exam context, hindi to lumalabas sa board exam context. Kahit nga yung mga SOYD, hindi na siya lumalabas lately. Okay? Pero pakita pa rin natin paano siya i-apply. So, kukunin natin, this is procedural, no? By the way, yung ating sinking fund method, wala tayong, walang tawag dito, calculator technique. Wala talaga. Kahit dito sa MAC-RS, wala tayong calculator technique. I don't know, hindi ko lang siya siguro na-discover pa. Pero for me, hindi na siya, hindi siya practical na i-master pa kasi hindi naman masyadong lumalabas sa board. So, just, lang siya, magiging procedural. First year depreciation is automatically FC over N. The nth year depreciation. Nth year depreciation is 2 over N. Ito yung formula natin. 2 over N FC minus summation of the previous depreciation. Okay, individual depreciation during the year. Para mas maintindihan, let's have an example. The cost of equipment is 500,000 and the cost of installation labor, taxes, and miscellaneous expenses is 30,000. If the salvage value is 10% of the cost of equipment at the end of its life of 5 years, compute the book value at the end of the third year using MAC-RS method. So let's define the variable. FC is 500,000. Okay? Then merong additional expenses plus 30,000. Yung N natin is for 5 years. Then salvage value is 10% of the cost of the equipment only. So, yung cost ng equipment lang, 10% or 0.1 of 500,000 of the equipment only. No? Hindi included yung miscellaneous taxes. So, 50,000 pesos. So, gusto natin is the book value at the end of third year. So, we will calculate the D sub 3. So, again, procedural to. Mag-start ka talaga sa D1. So, D1 is FC over N. So, 530 over 5 years. After that, kunin natin si D2. Ito yung formula natin, depreciation. So, when M is 2, so 2 over, ito, fix yan, 2 over N. FC minus the previous depreciation. Yung previous depreciation ni D2 is D1. Alright, substitute 2 over N. FC is 530,000 minus D1. Then D3. So, 2 over N, FC, then yung summation of previous depreciation ni D3 is D1 plus D2. Ganun lang. Plus 2 over 5, FC is 530,000, D1 is 106, D2 is 169. Summation. Dapat i-add natin yung dalawa. So, ito yung depreciation during the third year. So that the total depreciation after 3 years, that is our D3, is D1 plus D2 plus D3. So you have 377,360. And the book value is equal to FC minus D3. So natin book value at the end of third year. So you will have 530 minus 377,360. The answer will be 152,640 pesos. Okay, again, board exam context, hindi na to masyadong lumalabas. In-include ko lang dito sa discussion para at least alam nyo na mayroong ganito.